The Dream Draper G5 Gold Edition has made some really nice enhancements to the design library. One of them is this. I've dragged this design onto the canvas. Sometimes when you've inserted a design onto the canvas, you don't remember where you got that design from. Well, now all you have to do is highlight that design, and if you look in the lower right corner of your Dream Draper screen, you'll see its code. This particular door shutter is code HTSU015. Remember that each design in your design library has a unique identifier or code, which you can find by highlighting the object on your canvas, and you'll see that code down here in the lower right corner. And you'll also see that code displayed up here in the preview window. Those codes are really useful when you want to quickly find a design, and we cover how to do that in the search lesson. Another enhancement made to the design library is that you can now traverse through the design library using your arrow keys. If you want to open up a category, you can click on the right arrow key, and you can use your up and down arrow keys to navigate into the various categories. If you want to open a category, remember you can click on the right arrow key. And if you want to close a category, click on the left arrow key. So that's a real nice time saver. And of course, you can still use your mouse to navigate through your design library. Now, I want to describe another new feature about the design library. But before I get to the new feature, I just want to point out where we are in the design library. Up here on the upper left is our preview window. I had earlier been searching for some hard treatments, and that's why this door shutter is shown in the preview window. And if you look at the preview window, you're going to notice that we have the gold buttons, which I'll show again in a second.